Hi, I'm Sophie and welcome to my world. Now, if you watch my videos, you know a while back I taught you how to make a pom-pom out of yarn. Well, now I'm going to take it a step further and I'm going to teach you how to make this amazing room decor pom-pom banner. I'm going to teach you how to make it right now. For this project, you'll need pom-poms in assorted sizes, tapestry needle, craft thread, and scissors. So for this one, I'm going to be using craft thread, which is a little bit thinner than yarn for my project. And the first thing I'm going to do is I'm actually going to take the thread, loop it over, and I'm going to tie a little knot to make my loop. So that's nice and secure there. That's going to be the end of the banner where I hang it up. Now, as you can see, I've made a variety of little pom-poms here. I have two little ones, then two that are a step size up, two that are another step size up, two that are the next size up, and then one that is the biggest yet. So this is going to be all on my banner. So this is going to be 9 pom-poms on my banner. I'm going to take my thread and I'm going to thread my tapestry needle on the opposite side where I've already got my little hang ties set. So there we go. And starting with one of the small pom-poms, so I've got these all lined up, my little pom-pom family. And what we're going to do is we're going to go small, next size, next size, next size, biggest, back down to the smallest. So I'm taking my little guy and I just find the center and slip the needle through. And pull it all the way to the end. Now the nice thing here is that because of this is easily, it slides back and forth because of this nice thread here. You don't have to worry too much about the placement. Okay, once again, sliding it through. So I'm just sewing the pom-poms onto this thread. Now if you haven't learned how to make the pom-poms yet, make sure you check out the link below that'll tell you how to make pom-poms in a variety of sizes. Fast and easy, just using a piece of cardboard. Okay, as you can see, I've got 4 of them all lined up now. And I'm going for the biggie. Now you just want to make sure, the only tricky thing here, it's not really tricky, but the one main thing that you want to make sure you do, you got to make sure you're going through the center of your pom-pom so that you're catching it and you're going to have a nice solid core. So you want to make sure you're going through the center core of your pom-pom, because if you go on the outside, it's just going to slide right out. Okay, so there we go. I'll show you what I mean. So if you miss it, it's just going to fall right off. So you got to just make sure you go right through the center. The little baby is sometimes the hardest one to find. Okay, there we go. So now I've got them all threaded, and now my job is just to space them out. And the nice thing is that once you get them on here, you just tie off your end. You can hang the whole thing up, and you can slide these around wherever you want. So once again, just loop it over, tie a knot, pull it through. You can trim that if you want, and then you can hang it up. And then once you've got it hung up, then you can just scooch these in whatever direction they need to go. And that's all there is to making your very own pom-pom banner. Now, you could make a bunch of these for a birthday party or to decorate your room. They look so cute. I can't even begin to tell you. Now, if you like this project, make sure you give us a thumbs up. And if you have suggestions for room decor, make sure you leave them in the comments down below. And hey, share us with your friends because you know, a little pom-pom goes a long way, especially when it's on a string. For more fun things, check us out, Sophie-World.com.